Hello friends, my name is Suhail Ayub Saudagar. Today date is 1 November 2022 and today topic is a constructor in Java. So what is a constructor in Java? A constructor is a block of code similar of the method. It is called when an instance of the class. The constructor is a block of the code method. It is called when instance of the class it created at the time of the calling constructor memory for the object allocated in the memory. In the special types of method which in used in initialization object. Every time an object is created using a new keyword. At last one constructor is called it is called a default constructor. There is no constructor available in the class. In such case, Java compiler provide a default constructor in by default Java. Rules for creating Java constructor. There are three types of rule. You can create a Java constructor in Java language. First, constructor name must be start. It is a class name. Customer's name is it is a start with a class name. Means same will be the class name. On second rule is a constructor must have no explicit return type. That means constructor don't have any types of return value in on the class. Third rule for creating constructor. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. That means static means you can without static keyword what we use you can without create a constructor that you can a method in your class. That means a static. Types of Java constructor. There are two types of Java constructor. First is a default constructor. Default constructor, no argument constructor. That means, and second one is a parameterized constructor. A default constructor. Constructor is called default constructor when doesn't have any parameter. A parameter means a argument. Syntax, class name, and all. And second is a constructor with a parameter. Constructor with parameter means create a class name and pass the argument. That is a constructor with a parameter. And Java parameterized constructor, a constructor which has a specific number of parameters in called as a parameterized constructor. So that's